good coffee. What's up, everybody? Happy 2024. This is the very first video I've created in 2024. It's been a long time, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to take you through a full day of eating. I actually signed up for a men's physique competition next Saturday, and I've been depleted. I've had several low days in these past couple of weeks, and today is my high day, so I get to show you the fun foods that I get to eat 7 days out from my men's physique competition. They're fun foods that I never usually get to eat, only on these specific high days. So stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy my good eating. All right, so meal number one, high day. We are gonna have these British style English crumpets. I don't know why I said that with the British accent, but typically I eat English muffins, and I've been shopping at Trader Joe's lately, and I found these bad boys. They're British, and they're very much like a combination of a pancake / English muffin. Look at the texture on that. Doesn't that look scrumptious? And then to pair it up, I'm actually gonna have Trader Joe's pumpkin butter. So I'm gonna add some jams to it, right? So this is a pumpkin butter. And then, I don't know how to say it, but it's Bonnie Man? I don't know what it's called. But it's a 4 fruits preserve. It's a jam, jelly. It has like a mixture of like strawberries and other kinds of berries in it. And also included in meal one is cream of rice and grinds, Pride Foods. I'm not sponsored, but sponsor me, Pride Foods, because I love your guys' product. But I usually typically eat, in the past, oatmeal. I love oatmeal, but I get like crazy digestive issues, like just bloating. This is like a bodybuilder staple, and this is the first year I've tried it, and I love it. This is blueberry muffin flavor, so I'm gonna whip this up as well, and that'll be my meal one. So after a minute and a half, this is 100 grams of cream of rice. Maybe you put some good mixture of water and then mix it. Comes out to kind of like this muffin texture, which is what I like. All right, guys, so we are here with meal number one. So I got my English British crumpets with all my jams and jellies. Thumbnail. And my cream of rice, blueberry flavor. So let me read you guys the macros for meal number one. So we have 223 carbs in total, 23 grams of protein, and 0 grams of fat. Guess how many calories we got all just in this one meal? 1,004 calories just in this one whole meal. After I eat this meal number one, I'm gonna feel like freaking Superman, man. So we're gonna chow down and we're gonna eat. And let me give this a shot. I've actually been loving this pumpkin. I'm a pumpkin spice boy. I know they have pumpkin spice girls, but I'm definitely a pumpkin spice boy or bro. If you guys never had these British crumpets, let me tell you, they are delicious. I've been on like 7 days of straight low days. My carbs those days are typically about 0 to like 50 grams of carbs a day. And I've just been depleting, just been feeling like a zombie these past couple of weeks because I've been trying to get shredded and lean. So if you followed along with me since my last prep in 2023, I competed. It's been like a year and a half, almost 2 years since I've competed. And I told myself that I wanted to put on some more size and bulk up, compared to like my last two previous shows where I kind of did them back to back and I did not like do any bulking. Maybe I bulked for like a month and that was it. And I looked like I was in starvation mode, like I was super skinny. When I get on stage at the end of this week, I'm probably gonna be at 155, maybe 153, depending on just depending on like how hard I push and how much water I push out and get depleted. I'm probably gonna be 155 because when I carb up and everything like that, and that's one thing I didn't do at my last show is I didn't carb up. I didn't do a really good peak week protocol. Water intake is also increasing this week. I'm gonna finish this up. Hope you guys enjoy meal number 2. All right, so before meal number 2, let's do a quick ab check to make sure that my abs are still present after eating all those carbs. Yep, they're still there. Whew. We getting some gains, girls and boys. We getting some gains. All right, guys, we are back. So we have our tilapia with our 100 grams of rice and the most weirdest condiment ever, yellow mustard. I put this on everything. So I don't track this. I just kind of slathered it on there because it's like 0 calories. And then hydration wise, I'm going with the Ghost Interest since we're going to be going to the gym soon. I do 1 scoop of that. And then I also do my supplements. Look at this. This is my supplements container. It's a DeWalt. How manly is that? So they have a bunch of vitamin containers on like Amazon and stuff, but they do not fit. And so just to kind of go over what I do have here, I just have my basic multivitamins, heart health, gut health stuff, fish oils, I take 2, joint support, liver support, kidney support, pretty much everything, especially when you're on contest prep. You are practically deficient in a lot of nutrients. So, and I also have my rice cakes, but I'm gonna eat those prior, like on the way to the gym, just so that all the salt, all the sodium gets it fed into my muscles. So when I lift, you can see that vascularity, that pump, and feel good when I'm doing chest because it's chest day today. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Doesn't look that appetizing, but trust me, when you try this out, especially if you've been on low carbs for the longest time, this thing is amazing. I'm gonna finish this up. I'll see you guys at the next meal. All right, y'all, just got back from the gym. So we got meal number 3, the same. So meal number 3 is gonna be the exact same meal as meal number 4. So, and then meal number 5 is just gonna be this and probably some other addition, I don't know, we'll see. But what we have here for you is pumpkin bagels. I told you I'm a pumpkin bro. And a Pop-Tart. So I got pumpkin bagels. I told you, like pumpkin is just like, I'm addicted to pumpkin right now because it's November. It's about to be Thanksgiving and I wasn't able to indulge in Halloween treats. So this is close enough to Halloween for me. Good sweets. And then we also have our tilapia, mustard, and 100 grams of rice. So within this meal, let me go over the macros and calories. So right now, meal number 3 and meal number 4. So right here we have 193 grams of carbs, 41 grams of protein, and 8 grams of fat. A total of 1,048 calories in total within this whole meal. So we're gonna indulge right now, and we're gonna eat some pumpkin bagels. This is the same pumpkin butter that I had on those muffins, those British muffins that I had. So let's try it out. So freaking good, man. Kind of reminds me of a sweet bread, like a Mexican concha, a conchita. I wish I could have this like every day. I'd probably get sick of it, but it's totally worth it. Oh my gosh. My carbs. Don't be afraid of carbs because carbs will make you grow muscle. 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 All right, so that was the pumpkin butter Pop-Tarts. This is a strawberry one. I have pumpkin Pop-Tarts, like a whole case of them, which I'm saving for after prep. And I just want to change it up. So yeah, this is a strawberry Pop-Tart. Bruh. Woo. It's not really that gooey. It's just a basic Pop-Tart. I'm only gonna eat one for this meal, and then the next meal I'm gonna eat the other one because it comes in two. All right, so I'm gonna finish up this meal. See you at meal 5 or 6. All right, guys, so we made it at the end of the night. So last meal, meal number 6, we got Raisin Bran cereal with some zero-fat milk. In this meal alone, we have 126 carbs, 35 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, in total 603 calories. Now, in total, this whole video, this whole full day of eating, this is how much I ate in calories. 4,448 calories in total. 872 grams of carbs, 175 grams of protein, and 21 grams of fat. I really did my best to get zero fat, but I couldn't help resist those Pop-Tarts. Yum. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this full day of eating with my high carb day. 7 days out to my next show. If you guys loved this video and you found it very helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.